This AI agent has closed Jason Calacanis, Mike Novogratz, and even Mark Cuban. And this past month I reviewed more than a dozen of AI SDRs, and none of them have managed to do the same. That's why I'll use the knowledge I learned about AI agents to analyze how Fiber.ai works so you could replicate the results yourself for a fraction of the price. Fiber.ai works like any other AI agent. It automates lead generation and outreach, booking sales calls on autopilot. Everyone can automate these tasks, but only a few can do it well. So how does Fiber.ai do it? Well, there are 3 steps that Fiber.ai SDR does that you need to follow if you want to succeed and close high-ticket clients just like Fiber.ai agent does. And the first step is maneuvering around the potholes of cold email. As you may know, there are a lot of places where you could go wrong when you're doing cold outreach. You forgot to add DNS records after buying the domains? Spam. You did not warm up the mailboxes properly? Well, it's your unlucky day. Sent a few links or flagged keywords? Forget reaching the primary inbox. There's thousands of these little steps that should be approached carefully, or else you could ruin your email efforts and waste hundreds if not thousands of dollars. I share all the crucial steps in my deliverability checklist video that's linked here, but Fiber.ai does it all automatically. Second part of Fiber.ai's successful outreach formula is hyper-targeting. It's not hard to have a huge lead database by accessing multiple data providers. What is hard is being able to cherry-pick qualified leads from these databases based on your filters. That's exactly what Fiber.ai is good at. Fiber.ai agent has access to more than 50 data providers that you can use to reach companies you care about. And you do that by adjusting the filters. You first filter out all the companies you wouldn't want to work with. For example, you add criteria to only find companies in the United States with 50 to 100 employees. Companies that use Shopify and get more than 20,000 website visitors. You nail down every aspect of your ideal company and then you dig even deeper. Now you can identify the ideal prospect in any company. Filter by title, connections, their past work experience, basically weed out anyone who isn't your type and only reach out to the top quality leads. Oh, and all leads are checked 4 times for bounces. So there's that. Third and last part before I talk about Fiber.ai's alternative is hyper-personalization. Ever had a crush? You probably didn't notice, but if you ever been obsessed with someone, you somehow knew every detail about that person. Their brother's name, the breed of their cat, social media handle, RuneScape nickname, everything. You stalked your crush so much that you could probably guess the correct number of freckles on their face. I'm not saying this to bring you back to your teenage years, no. I'm saying this as an example of how Fiber.ai agent works. Fiber.ai SDR is obsessed with your leads. It stalks them. And that's how Fiber.ai can make your outreach truly personal. Reaching out and complimenting the city your lead is from or the recent role change isn't great. It's lazy. So Fiber doesn't do that. Instead, Fiber analyzes all the information at its disposal to create a hyper-personalized icebreaker with a smooth segue into a pitch. For example, here's an email written by Fiber.ai for a prospect who recently tweeted about chess. Hi Robert. Okay, I'm not really trying to start a game of correspondence chess with you, although that would be fun to do sometime. I play a lot of the Albin counter gambit, FWIW. But before we talk about chess openings, I wanted to chat about how to increase your email's open rates. I'm working on a tool that, I don't know about you, but to me it looks like the AI has a crush on Robert. I don't know, maybe just me. But not only does this style of messaging and subject line get a huge open rate, it also keeps your deliverability at the top with an insane reply rate. Now I know you might not want to shed thousands of dollars for an agent like this, but you still want to enjoy the great results it generates. Well, that is possible in one of 2 ways. Either cherry-pick leads yourself and use Salesforge AI to write hyper-personalized emails, or use an AI agent that's built not by Fiber, but by Salesforge. An agent Frank that can automate all of the tasks just like Fiber can, but for the fraction of the cost. I explain how Agent Frank works and how much it costs, and its pros and cons in this video, so take a peep. See ya!